Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, we meet again. Today, Miss Diane is going to show you how to do deep breathing exercise. I'm going to show you some simple techniques of how to do this. But before that, let me show you the benefits of deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing can benefit your overall health by increasing your lungs capacity. It means the amount of the air that enters your lungs, the amount of the oxygen that can enter your lungs. Next, deep breathing can benefit your health by improving circulating oxygen levels. And also, the deep breathing can benefit your health by reducing fatigue with this exercise. Yes, fatigue means when you get too tired, and after that you can do some relaxation activities. One of the activities is doing this deep breathing exercises, which can make you feel more relaxed and will make you even calmer and not tense anymore. And usually also when you are under stress and you are under pressure, or you are getting maybe bored or something, because staying at home and makes you feel stressed that you really want to go out, but you have to manage that. You have to manage your emotion, right? And doing this deep breathing exercise will surely help you. And when you are stressed or under pressure, usually the blood pressure is increasing. And by doing these deep breathing exercises, this can help you to decrease the blood pressure. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you step by steps how to do these deep breathing exercises. Step 1. Starting position. To start these deep breathing exercises, you have to sit upright. You can sit down on the floor or you can stand up. If you sit down on the floor, make sure you sit upright and just cross your legs. I'm crossing my legs actually. Yeah. Okay. Sit upright. Or if you want to stand up, like I said before, you have to stand up straight. And then place one hand on your upper abdomen, just below your rib cage. Remember the rib cage, we learned about this at school. The rib cage is the bone that protecting your organs like lungs and heart. And the other hand at the side of your chest on the lower part of your rib cage or here. So one hand here, just below your rib cage here, and one on the chest. Okay? Okay, and then next, posture. So if you are sitting or standing, raise the crown of your head towards the ceiling. Let me show you. So this is like, it is the crown of our head. So you have to raise it towards the ceiling, and then raise your chest and relax your shoulders away from your ears. Just relax, relax. And remember again the position of your hands. Okay. And then step 3, the rib cage movement. Breathe in slowly and feel your rib cage expand sideways. Breathe in, you can breathe in. Breathe in just through your nose. slowly. And you can feel your rib cage expand sideways. Let's do it again. Okay, so keep your upper chest and shoulder relaxed. Here, relax. And then you breathe out by letting your rib cage fall back to resting. When you breathe out, you can breathe out the carbon dioxide not only through your nose, but also through your mouth, throughout your mouth. Okay, when you breathe in and breathe out, this is step 4, you should feel a gentle rise and fall of your belly, rise and fall of your belly beneath your hand as you breathe in and breathe out. When you breathe in, you can feel that your belly moves forward, right? And when you breathe out, you feel that your belly moves backward. Okay, let's do it again. You see my hand here? When I breathe in, my belly moves forward. So this is what differentiates deep breathing with the regular breathing, because deep breathing allows the oxygen comes into your body more than the regular breathing. So that's why you feel more relaxed, because you have more oxygen coming into your body. Okay, so are you ready to practice together? Okay, let's do it. One hand on the chest, one hand under the rib cage here on the upper abdomen. So we breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, you can practice by yourself. After this, I'm going to show you my video exercising deep breathing uh, while listening to a song. You don't have to use the song that I'm going to use. You can just use any other songs that feels comfortable for you to use while doing this deep breathing exercise. Which one is your favorite music? Which one is your favorite music? Use it. And you can use that song, while doing the deep breathing exercise. The song that maybe I I choose this song, Breathe In and Breathe Out, because it helps me to feel more relaxed. Okay? So thank you for listening. I hope you're enjoying my presentation, and we'll do the breathing exercise because you have tried already. I hope you can do it alone by yourself, and also maybe with your parents at home. Maybe after you wake up, you take a sip of water first, and then you do this breathing exercise, feel more relaxed, and you can go sunbathing first, having breakfast, or and then before you do physical activities, then you can do these deep breathing exercises. After that, as not only as the um, warming up or before warming up activities, also you can do it as the cooling down activities. And also when you feel dizzy, or when you feel stressed, I really want to meet my friends, I miss my teachers, you can do this deep breathing exercises to make you feel calm and to make you feel more relaxed. Okay? Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Stay safe and healthy.